In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Mailchimp with WooCommerce. Now, this integration is a powerful tool for any e-commerce business owner looking to streamline their email marketing efforts with their online store. We'll go through each step together, ensuring you have a seamless connection between these two popular platforms. To start off, you'll want to head over to your Mailchimp account. If you haven't already, set up an account over at Mailchimp.com. Once you're logged in, look at the top part of the screen, and you'll see a section labeled Integrations. Click on that. This tab is the gateway to a wide variety of third-party applications that Mailchimp can integrate with, and it's right where you'll find WooCommerce, which we'll be focusing on today. Once you've clicked on the Integrations tab, you'll need to use the search bar feature. It's conveniently located at the top right of the page. Here, simply type in WooCommerce and hit Enter. This will filter the long list of available integrations and bring WooCommerce right to the forefront of your options. Now that you've found WooCommerce, you should see an option to connect. Go ahead and click on the Connect button. This action will lead you to a page where you will be prompted to log into your WooCommerce account. If you're not familiar, WooCommerce is a popular plugin for WordPress that turns a website into a robust online store. So, make sure you use your administrator credentials for the login to ensure you have the necessary permissions. Once logged in, you might see a page asking you to approve the connection between your WooCommerce store and Mailchimp. This step is essential as it allows these two platforms to share data, enabling Mailchimp to send tailored marketing emails based on your customers' shopping behaviors and preferences. So go ahead and approve the connection. After that, you'll be back in Mailchimp, where you'll receive a confirmation message indicating that your WooCommerce store is successfully connected. This setup enables syncing customer data from WooCommerce to Mailchimp. You'll be able to access and use purchase data, track sales, and create automated marketing campaigns that target your audience more effectively. And there you have it, a successful integration of Mailchimp and WooCommerce. With this setup, you now have a powerful marketing tool that can help boost your business. You can begin using features like automated follow-ups, abandoned cart emails, and targeted email campaigns. As a final tip, make sure to keep both your Mailchimp and WooCommerce plugins updated to ensure the smooth operation of your integration. Stay tuned for more tutorials and take full advantage of these digital tools to grow your online presence and engage with your customers effectively. If you have further questions or want to explore more advanced features, there are plenty of resources and guides on both Mailchimp and WooCommerce's official websites. Thanks for watching, and happy